So this, I am on top of our roof, guys. You can see, and this is the view on top. Windy here on top of our roof, guys. There, I can't wait to see this on the 4th floor of the building. It's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be a really nice view on the roof deck. So at this side you can actually see SM Seaside. Okay, but on this level, not really, but when the apartment is done, on the 4th floor on the roof deck, you can really see SM Seaside and the sea view. Okay, but what I really love is the mountain view. It's still hot. Alright, so see you next week for the 13th week update. Bye! I don't know if you can see SM Seaside. Oh. Can you see SM Seaside? I don't know. It should be somewhere somewhere here. Bye.